Experian credit freezes can be removed online, by phone or by mail, allowing lenders and other authorized companies to access your credit report again. If you need to unfreeze Experian, you'll learn the fastest way to remove the freeze, what information you need, and what to do if the process does not work. The quickest option is usually using Experian's online freeze management tools. You need to verify your identity before Experian can remove the freeze from your credit report. Before starting, gather your personal information. Have your name, address, social security number, date of birth, and any required account verification details available. Go to Experian's official website and access the credit freeze section. Follow the instructions to request the removal of your freeze. You can also request a freeze removal by phone or mail if you cannot complete the process online. Mail requests may require additional identity verification information. After submitting your request, confirm that the freeze has been removed before applying for new credit. A credit freeze can prevent lenders from accessing your report during an application review. If you are applying for a credit card, loan, apartment, or other service that checks your credit, unfreeze your report before submitting the application. If the freeze removal does not work, check the information you entered. Incorrect personal details or identity verification issues can prevent Experian from completing the request. You should also make sure you are removing the freeze from the correct credit bureau. A freeze with Experian only affects your Experian credit report, not reports held by other bureaus. If you froze your credit with multiple bureaus, you may need to manage each freeze separately. After your Experian freeze is removed, monitor your credit report and confirm that your information is accurate. Keeping track of your credit profile helps you catch problems before they affect future applications. The main steps are verifying your identity, requesting the freeze removal through Experian, confirming the change, and checking that your credit report is available when needed. Your next step is to collect your identification details and remove the Experian freeze before applying for any credit product that requires a credit check. If this helped you understand how to unfreeze Experian fast, like the video and subscribe for more credit score and credit building guides.